Okay, guys, good evening. And so I just want to give you all a little bit of update on one of the pairs that I'm actually, monitoring, which is the pound yen. Yep. So just want to do a quick one. Yep. So let's start with the daily chart where just let me take a screenshot of this and yes. All right. So now why am I monitoring this pair? Yeah, is because of this here. Okay. Now this is what I consider as a very strong support. Yeah. Okay, a very strong support because if you look at the candles, yeah, the candles here, so it gives you 1 2 3 4. So it when there's a continuous bull candles, especially if there is more than 3, which in this case there is actually 4 of them, what I actually call this is actually momentum candles. Yeah. Okay, so when there is momentum, we know for sure that there is a strong support at this area. Okay, so this is why I'm actually looking at this pair. Okay, now the question is, do we actually make an entry when price comes to this area here? Let me show you. Yeah, so let me clear this. Okay, do we actually enter the market when price reaches here? All right, the answer is no. All right, now because we are not sure if this level of support will actually hold, so it is important for us to wait for price action. Okay, how do we actually look at price action? Is actually through the candlesticks. Okay, now let me go a little bit further. Okay, let me just clear this off first. Okay, now when we look at the area of support, we know that the price is actually a support, but in order for us to get a confirmation, okay, we will need to go down to a smaller time frame, which the next time frame after the daily time frame is actually the H4 time frame. Okay, now I did mention in my Telegram channel that I'm actually waiting for the price to actually break a certain resistance, which I plotted at 150.711. Okay, now if we look at this here, let me just take a screenshot of this. Okay, all right, if we look at this, now the price has already broken the level of resistance which I expected it to break. Okay, so now when it breaks this level, all right, there is a dilemma. All right, this is what we call as the nearest resistance. Okay, the nearest resistance level, once it has broken, now it will usually retest. Okay, the price will usually retest. All right, so we're not pretty sure. Now there is a dilemma for us. Will the price retest this level here, or it will come here to retest this level? So the only way for us to actually have a confirmation on on which location that this price will stop to make a continuous uptrend movement, again we will have to look at price action, which is very important to determine if there is any sign of price which has already finished its pullback. Okay, so now we are actually at the pullback phase. So if you look at these two bear candles, it's actually a pullback phase. All right, so now we are waiting for confirmation. All right, the levels that I am actually monitoring is this level here. Let me just take this off so you have a clearer picture on what is actually going on. Okay, so this orange zone which I actually marked is the level that I'm actually watching, which is the first level that I'm watching. And if price break through this, then this is the level that I'm actually watching to take a long trade. Okay, so this is what I'm actually waiting for. Okay, so I hope this a little bit of sharing analysis will actually help you out with your trading. All right, so do stay tuned to my Telegram channel. All right, for more updates. Yep, so cheers, I'll see you.